Good morning, Arlington. So, welcome. Today is Sunday, October 1st. So, we have a pretty great day today weather-wise. I'm looking outside, seeing the sun shining. It's been a few days since we've seen that. The rain was horrible near the end of the week and again on Saturday. So, we're excited for this. Beautiful weather. Weather is going to peak up a little bit, and then as the week goes on, we'll go back to fall weather. So just a little tease as we get ready for fall. So this week I'll just jump right into it. So on Thursday's open house, dismissals after third period. 12 o'clock starts first round of open house. Please follow the child's schedule. Then the next one's at 6:30. Again, follow your child's schedule. Please come in, meet your child's teachers. Any questions you may have, please reach out to your teacher and also the house school counselors if you have certain questions regarding the classrooms and the teachers. That's on Thursday, October 5th. And then homecoming is football game is on the 6th. That I believe around 6 o'clock. But prior to that, we have our tailgate that starts at 3 o'clock. And then we also have Peprally during, I believe, periods 7 and 8 on Friday, October 6th. October 7th is our homecoming dance in cafeteria C and D. Tickets are required for all these events, the tailgate, the football game, and the homecoming dance. Then on October 8th, we have our marching band invitational, which is a major event for our marching band admirals. So we're excited to host multiple schools from around the region to come in and compete in the invitational. So please come out and support them. That's October 8th. Tickets are also on sale for that. All these events, by the way, we need to have our students' ID on display. So please make sure your IDs are worn during these events. Then Columbus Day, October 9th. There is no school. That's Monday, October 9th. Then going into next week, we have our class of 2026. That's our current 10th graders. They have their parent evening, and that's at 6:30 at night on October 12th. And then just a little bit in the future, we have our Thomas Grimes presentation on October 18th. That's also at night. And then there will be a student assembly during the day on October 18th. So that's it. Lot going on. Always, please check our website, check our internet, our Instagram, our Twitter, our X feeds. Always reach out to the House Administration if you have any questions. Shoot me an email. Shoot any of the administrators an email. Okay? We're excited. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Bye-bye. Take care.